Hey guys, welcome back to Douglas's Model Garage's videos. I know I took Wednesday night off because I had a birthday party to attend for my dad, which I was thankful for by the VA people, and they really helped out with that. And I really hope he makes it for another year. So, um, anyways, with the Lancaster here, got the detail done on the inside. I did it in black. I'm gonna put the windows in uh, once I figure out how I'm going to paint this. I'll put the glass in. So I got the in primer so far. Let's see what else here. Got that side and blacked out and primer on that side. And I showed you this stuff, so but I was able to start getting the wings together. I have to fix that right there on there. So I just got to figure out how to get that gap closed. And let's see about this one. Yeah, that one's gonna need a little sanding, but looks like it's closed up better than the other one. Then I got my engines started, put together. It's one of them. Um, Here's another one of them. The shorter ones are towards out further. The longer ones are, closer in. So, and we got some more right here. And this one right here. So, and also I got the rear wings put together. I think this is the right side of it. Starboard side, I guess they call that. I'm not real good with the airplane names, but I love building them. So that's that right there. And also got this little guy put together. Now there's supposed to be a rear gunman that's supposed to lay down in the back here. But since I'm thinking about if I'm going to put crew in it yet or not, I probably won't put him in there and probably use him for something else. But I just, figure, if he's going to be stuck in there, then it'll be kind of hard to see him once you get this put on there. So, so, um, and also I started on my American P series right here. And first one I'm starting is this Curtis P40E. Got the wings assembled last night. Uh, got the fuselage assembled. I sanded down the edges on there, and it kind of resembles a Spitfire because the way where the exhaust comes out of. Then we got these are the pieces for the landing gear. I'll just give you an overview, guys. So I got the propeller put together, the nose cone on there, and I think this is the landing gear part right here. I gotta look it up though. I'll check it later. These are the tires. This has actually separate tires for it, and more landing gear parts. So I kind of have this like sorted out by color right now according to the instructions. These are the hubcaps for the landing gear. And we have the piece that goes behind the propeller right there. And I built both element on it. I got the bomb right here, and then I got the long range fuel tank right there, and we have the grill vents right here for it, or headers. I'm not sure what it is there, but and also the pilot. Whether I use them or not, I'm not sure. But I have I have two of these kits, so I'm thinking if I should build one different than the other paint scheme wise. So, because I'll show you the other kit is these are the decals it came with, but I am not sure if these will work or not. But I'm going to give them a try. The other one I'm going to probably use some aftermarket decals. This is the one you see on the box right here. And then this is another set. I'm guessing this is two different kits put in one box. This is the other decals right here. So I gotta figure out which decals go to which one. This is what the kit looks like before you start it. So, and thanks Max Models for inspiration on uh, getting into building these planes. Because I started with the P-61 Blackhawk and no Black Widow, and just it kind of just kept on going with doing car models too. So I want to have that little shout out. So hope you guys liked the video, and thanks for watching, guys. All right.